Shalonda Thurmond with REALtor Talk, where we are keeping it real in real estate. Today, I bring you 2 minutes of words of wisdom on Wednesday regarding the buyer's market versus the seller's market. What does it mean when we all often hear people say buyer's market or seller's market? Well, a buyer's market is when there are a lot of houses on the market listed for sale. So they actually have time to go through and find the home that they really want. They don't have to feel rushed or urgent. And they also have opportunity for negotiating the price because there's so much out there. So they have a nice advantage when it is a buyer's market. Then there is the seller's market. The seller's market is when there are not a lot of homes listed for sale, and you have more buyers than you do of the homes on the market. So the seller has an advantage when it's their market because they tend to have multiple offers at a time on their home, and they can choose highest and best or whatever they prefer. So now that you know the difference, what market are we in today? Well, August of 2020 would typically be a buyer's market. But since things have changed during this year due to the pandemic, it is now a seller's market. That's right. So if you're looking to sell your home, or if you're thinking about it or pondering over it, now would be the time. This is an advantage for you. It is your market. Not to say that if you're looking to buy, you shouldn't buy now, but just be prepared that you may have to do multiple offers on different homes, or you may be in a bidding war with another buyer for the home you really want. So now that you know the difference, let's get to work. You know how to reach me. I look forward to hearing from you and working with you soon. Bye-bye.